The first thing that I want to say is I want to pay my respects to Charlie Kirk's wife, Erica, the kids, family members, and everyone else who's suffering from this tragic assassination and loss that we've all witnessed. Moment of silence. Have you done that yet? If you haven't, you should. I've done the moment of silence. I've shed a few tears. I've definitely gotten emotional over the whole scenario. And the haters that are driving these people to act the way that they're acting. I'm disgusted. I'm disgusted with all the videos that I see of all these people celebrating. This is just fucking mind-blowing. I can't even fathom the thought of how these people wake up, open their eyes, and celebrate an assassination of a man who was a great man, a family man. These people on YouTube, these people that make these hater videos, these are terrible, terrible people. They don't realize it. They're that psychotic in the head. They think that they're doing good with their community, that they call it. Their community is almost like a fucking cult. Like, it's crazy. I can tell when they make a video on me, because when they make a video on me, my DMs get flooded with hate. Just nasty shit. Ridiculous. And it's crazy because this whole event with Charlie started from media driving hate and people talking trash, making videos, driving hate against a man who just clearly wanted to debate and gave people an open microphone to talk and have logical conversation back and forth. But they just couldn't deal with his answers. And he would shut them down. It's like a walking chat GPT. You could not fucking win a debate against him when it comes to the shit that these crazy people would come up with. But the people that are making these videos online that are driving the hate, they don't realize what they're doing. They don't understand it. They're really psychotic. They don't realize that when they make these videos about another person and then they speak over the video with their commentary and they're talking and they're just nonstop talking negative about the person on the screen, they think that it's not driving hate. They think that they're driving comedy. But what happens is it drives so much hate and triggers the audience so much that a strong handful of those people in that audience go over and find that individual on other social media sites like Instagram, flood their DMs with mean, nasty, derogatory shit, trolling them, doing all kinds of different things. Some of them are death threats. Crazy. Somebody sent my address to me. Addresses of other properties of mine. They sent in my DMs. Other things. As if they're going to come find me. This is the shit that we get. And we don't get this because we put out our own positive videos. We get this because you guys, the haters, the ones I'm talking to that are watching this, not the regular audience, normal people. Normal people are normal people, you know, like us. But the haters, the ones that drive the audience of haters that become psychopaths, because what happens is the DMs lead to back and forth conversations. Sometimes the comments lead to back and forth conversations. And that really triggers the hater to become obsessed. And now, from obsession, They're continuing on with their pressing DMs, nasty shit, nasty comments. And some people respond and go back and forth with these people. And then the hater goes from being a hater to obsessed to a psychopath. And what's next? Pure violence. I mean, it's just the way it happens. It's fucking crazy. You see, when the haters hit me in the DMs, I don't engage. I delete it. I just delete it. I've been caught engaging with some of these haters on the comments. I've been caught engaging with some of these haters in the DMs, but I learned and realized that it just turns into some nasty shit. So now I just don't even engage. I just fucking delete it when I get it. But it's pretty pathetic that it winds up coming across the DMs that much. And it's driven from you shitbags on the internet that make hater videos. You see, I say you need to get you some haters. But when I say that, I mean like some normal haters, you know? There are normal haters that just run their mouth in the comments and talk shit and then watch you from the side and share your shit. They don't even say anything. They don't run their mouth crazy, but they run their mouth in the comments just to trigger shit up. They're normal haters. It stops there. Never goes any further. It's dumb shit. And other normal haters that are like the real normal haters just watch you constantly, and they share your shit with their friends, and then they laugh amongst themselves. They never interact with the person. And that's cool, because that normal hater might share it with someone else, and that other person might be like, oh, I don't know, what the guy says kind of makes some fucking sense. And then they become a follower. Cool. But when you're making these fucking hater videos like you just made, I know you're watching, and then you ask for subscribers at the end, what are you doing? What are you doing? And you notice how I'm not naming names, because I'm not going to name names. I'm not going to give you the credit. But you know who you are. But you ask for subscribers at the end. So you made a video about Charlie Kirk. You talk shit about me and a couple of other so-called alpha males in your video. And then you ask for subscribers. So you clearly want to profit off of the death of Charlie Kirk. Pretty fucking pathetic. It's terrible. Not one of my videos did I make a call to action for anybody to follow, subscribe, buy one of my products. Not my intention. I don't give a fuck. I don't need money from my products that I sell online. I make my money off of my real estate investments. I make my money off of the AC company that I built from 1 truck to 40 trucks and sold for 8 figures. That's how I make my money. And I invest. I don't need views. I don't need clicks. I don't need them to buy my course or anything like that. And I don't sell a course. I don't need money off this video. I need the haters to stop driving other haters to become psychopaths. That's what I would like to get. But, you know, I'm asking for the impossible. There's no reasoning with these people. It's fucking crazy. If Charlie Kirk couldn't reason with you people, fuck, who can? He was the best debater out there. Like literally a walking chat GPT. He will shut you down. That's, and you walk away with your tail between your legs. But he still couldn't reason with you people. And he was nice about it. What's it going to take to get you fucking whack jobs to back down and just go live a normal life? You know, there's a lot of other ways to make money than to drive hate. Because that's what you do. And when you drive that hate and it turns into obsession, which turns into a psychopath, and then what if that person does something really fucked up to one of the people you make videos on? That's blood on your hands.